What's going on, guys? So I just wanted to do a quick little video. I've been really busy with work and stuff, and haven't really been able to ride the bike, but I wanted to show you guys a cool little something, a little accessory that I picked up for the bike. I thought it was really cool, and basically all it does is relocates the charging port for your bike. And as you can see right here, this little guy just dangles, and it's just here. And I always just try to stick it in, but it, you know, sometimes it stays, sometimes it doesn't. It's a little weird right there. So I was on, well, with one of my Facebook groups. One of the members posted a cool little accessory. It's called the Stealth Port, and so what it does is it basically plugs into your existing charge port, and then it actually relocates it to right here. It attaches to this bolt right here on the bottom bolt of the gas tank. So it looked really cool from the picture and everything from the guy that posted, and so I figured, why not? It's really cheap. I think it was 30 something bucks. Don't quote me on it, I don't remember. But I will include the link in the video description, and we're just going to go ahead and slap this guy on real quick. Hopefully it's going to be a quick process. It should be, but I always find some way somehow to make things go a lot longer than it should. So hopefully I don't start digging into this and then see other things that I want to do, and then it just kind of go down the whole rabbit hole. So I'm just going to try to keep this quick and simple. And we're going to toss this bad boy on, and we're going to see how it looks. All right. So, want to hear something funny? Is I just went on a whole side quest doing something completely unrelated to this because I noticed something. So, in typical fashion, I always seem to make things go longer than they should. Basically, quick rundown is you see these little plastic tabs right here. Well, when I did the paint job on all this and I put it all back together, I put these on the wrong way. So literally, I just flipped these around because I think these were up here, those were down there, and then one of these were flipped, so like it was upside down. So I don't know how I missed that, and my bike's been like that for a little bit, but yeah, so that's how easy it is to get sidetracked from doing the task at hand. And it also doesn't help that I have ADHD, so I easily get distracted. Squirrel! Alright, so anyways, let's go ahead and do the actual job that we're supposed to do. So as you notice, the seat is off. I went ahead and took the seat off, that way, because I have like a little special lock on it and it takes a little longer than it should. So I just did that, and next thing I'm going to do is remove the side cover right here. Alright, so we're just going to remove this little guy. Easy peasy. Alright, so only thing I'm worried about is they want you to tuck the wiring in behind this, and as you can see, I got a lot going on here. I got the accessory harness so that I can plug in more stuff. So that's like really taking up a lot of the real estate underneath the cover. So it's just going to be another thing that I'm going to have to shove in there. Okay, and then so next what we're going to want to do is undo the bottom tank bolt, because the kit comes with a longer bolt to account for the bracket that I'm about to bolt to it. So it comes with a longer bolt, and it comes with a skinny washer. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and take this off real quick. What was this, 9/16 and 5/16 Allen. Oh yeah, I already undid it because I switched all the other ones around. So this will be easy peasy. All right. Definitely drop the tank washer, and got lucky, didn't lose it this time. But make sure you lose it when it drops. That way it makes it more fun to do this job. Okay, so pull this guy out. Okay, make sure these guys stay, and boom, done. All right. As you can see, the size difference right here, the new, and the stock. So we're just going to throw the washer back on, the new one. All right. Feed this guy through, stick it in the hole. All right. That's good. Huh. That's funny, is I wonder if I have to pull this off now. I don't know. We'll see. All that trouble. Alright, so we stick the thick washer on. Alright. Next, we get this guy. Alright, here it is. In all of its glory. So the bracket is 3D printed. And comes with the exact same cord, so it's really just plug and play, which is really cool. And it has a little dust cover, and here's the port. All right. Now this is where it's going to go. It's going to go just like so, right? Yeah, that fits on there. We're good. Okay. I'm just gonna maybe run this wire away from the head, from the cylinder head. I'll figure that out once I get it bolted on though. Alright, so next we get our skinny washer. Alright, that goes on like so. And then we get the cap nut. Stick that bad boy on there. Alright. Now, to finish my side quest, let me just quickly, actually I'll do it off camera. So we're going to go ahead and tighten this. Okay. Now, how do I want this? I mean, shit. This is where my OCD comes in. It's gonna get all fucking crazy right now. I don't know. Does that look cool? I don't know. It just keeps tightening. Gonna break something? That's pretty good. That's on there. Alright, I didn't break anything. Alright, now we go ahead and let's see, where's this guy? Oh, I just undid this mess and it's gonna be freaking impossible to get this in here. Okay, so I'm gonna overthink this because I always do with everything. Man, I really would like to feed it in through there. Let's see if I can. And I don't think I can. Come on, I'm usually good at this. I'm usually good at overthinking and executing, but for some reason, it's not working. Maybe my brain is fried from all the extracurricular, from my extracurricular old lifestyle. I don't know. I just don't want it to look stupid. I don't freaking know. I guess we're just going to man, I can already tell this is not gonna freaking close. Alright, so we just plug that in. That's in there. Okay. Oof. Man, it looks ugly as fuck. Alright. I don't even know how I'm gonna get this cover back on, to be honest with you. I think this is the straw that broke the camel's back right here. My gosh. Like, how much can you shove up in here? You know? It's pretty maxed out before, so I mean, I could really go crazy on this and splice the wires together, you know? But do I really want to do that? I mean, not really. This is just for my situation, because I just got too much crap in here, man. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to shove it all in. Hopefully this works. I don't think it will, but hey, you never know. Shove it all in. Oh, is it working? I don't know, maybe. As long as I don't break any wire connections or, you know, I might do it. Nope. Come on. Come on, you know you want to. Okay. Here. Alright, I'm just going to tighten the screw down. Okay. Well, it is done. All right. So it's in God's hands now. All right. So that's in there. Barely hanging on. I don't know how. I think it's up against the oil line. I think that's what's holding it in place. But that'll be a future problem, I guess. Who needs oil, right? You know, just slowly rub away the oil line and then make a mess, you know? But that's going to be a future problem. Alright, so that's in there. That is tight. Let's throw the seat on and see how it looks. Alright, well, I mean, that looks cool, I guess. Stealth port. It's not really super stealthy, but I mean, it's right there, and it's better than having a little dangling there. And we'll go ahead and I'm going to get this all buttoned up, and then I'm going to connect my charger to it and make sure everything's copacetic. Alright, so hang tight. Alright, so we got everything bolted back on, the seat, the sissy bar, everything's nice and tight, front bolt's tight, Everything's good. Also a minor scratch on my saddlebag in the process because I'm a clumsy oaf. So, all right, let's check this bad boy out. Here it is with this little dust cap right here. Pretty cool. All right, plug this in. Boom. Plugged in. And we are charging. Yay! Don't mind my spider web crusted charger because a ton of spiders in my garage and I'm never in here. So, all right, so that is the installation and the final look of the Stealth Port, and they make it for all models. So I think it's a really cool idea. Just added another pound to my bike, and there's one more accessory that I want to do that I'll show you guys in the future. It's just a little bit of extra work and some wiring, but I think it'll be cool to have some more charging options, some USB charging options up here up front. So that'll be for a future video, but that's it, the Stealth Port. Tell me what you think. All right, I think it's cool, and you know, a waste of like 30 something bucks, but who cares, right? Money grows on trees. All right, have a great day.